Is your Hyundai Kona key fob not working from as far away or at all? It likely needs a new battery. Signs of a weak battery include reduced range, dim indicator lights, or complete failure. For 2018-2023 Kona models, you'll need a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery and a small flathead screwdriver or pry tool. Ensuring you have these items ready is the first step to a quick and easy replacement. Remember to work in a dry environment to prevent moisture damage. First, locate the seam on your key fob, usually on the back or side. Gently insert the flathead screwdriver or pry tool into the seam and carefully pry the fob open. Avoid using excessive force to prevent cracking the plastic. Once open, remove the old CR232 battery, noting its orientation positive side up. Insert the new battery with the positive side facing up. Snap the fob back together until it's securely closed. Test the fob by pressing the buttons and starting your Kona. If it works, you're all set.